Hello my friends, welcome setting up your Crypto.com account and need to verify your identity. Well, this guide is for you. This will include KYC and everything else. Download the Crypto.com app from the App Store or Google Play and sign up with your email. After confirming your email or phone number via OTP, the app prompts you to verify your identity according to Crypto.com. Tap Continue to begin KYC. You'll need a government-issued ID. Passport is best, but a driver's license or national ID works in most cases, except for US users who must use a state-issued ID. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, avoiding initials or typos. Take a clear photo of your ID in a well-lit area, ensuring all corners are visible with no reflections. Turn off your flash, as advised by help.crypto.com. Next, follow the liveness check. Hold steady, look at the green dot, and avoid moving your head. I had to retake a blurry ID once. Clean your lens first. Submit when the info is legible. Verification usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, automated system, but manual reviews can take up to 3 business days. Check your status in the app's profile section. If rejected, tap resubmit and follow supporters instructions via in-app chat at chatcrypto.com. If verification fails, ensure your ID is valid and photos are clear. Also, guys, never share your ID on Telegram or email, as scams are common. So, any questions, share below, like and subscribe, and ring the bell for more crypto tips. See you next time, my friends.